Namaskar friends, welcome to our channel Vichitra Enterprises, and I hope you all are safe and protected. And friends, with these two words like safe and protected, I am relating today's topic. Friends, before going further, I want to ask you one thing, that why we have this bigger pin in our plugs of adapters or any electrical devices. Why we have this bigger pin here? Like one will be for phase and second one will be for neutral. So why we have this third pin here? And if you have seen, you must have seen actually, sockets, it can be power socket, 5 ampere socket or 16 ampere socket. We have a bigger hole at the top.
So why we have this hole marked with red at the top?
Yes friends, this is for earthing. So friends, today's topic is earthing. Earthing is very important to protect human bodies and to protect your electrical devices. Today we will discuss what is earthing, why we need earthing, what is the purpose of earthing, and what is the symbol of earthing, what strips or cable we use for earthing, and how we do earthing. And friends, stay connected because this topic is going to be covered in 2 videos. Other one will be of types of earthing. So stay connected and let's.
Now friends, answering to our first question, that what is earthing? So let us see what its definition says. Friends, earthing is the process of transferring the immediate discharge. Immediate discharge can be over current, over voltage, directly to the earth. Like in this picture, you can see a cable connected to a rod. So any high voltage, high current in the cable is connected to earth through this rod. The resistance of this electrode or this rod will be very low, so that any high current comes in this electrical circuit shall get the lowest resistive path and get discharged in the ground. So friends, here a question comes that what low value or what value of resistance should be there for a good earthing. So friends, according to IEEE, which stands for Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, and also according to CPWD, the value of earthing's resistance should be lower than 5 ohm. It can be as low as possible but not more than 5 ohm, right? Now friends, answering our second question, that why earthing is done or what is the purpose of earthing. So earthing is done to protect you from electrical shock. Friends, as earthing has very low resistance, and if you accidentally touch an electrical circuit and that circuit is connected with earth, or earthing is done in that circuit, so the current will not follow your body because your body has a higher resistance than earthing, and you will get protected from electrical shocks. And second benefit of earthing is it provides your electrical devices safety from leakage currents. Now next one is it protects your electrical system or building from lightning. For this purpose we also require lightning arrestor, and earthing is connected to lightning arrestor. So whenever lightning occurs, lightning arrestor catches this lightning, and through earthing it is discharged to earth. And the next one is for excessive power surges or over voltages, a ground system is immediate help. Like if our electrical system does not have surge protection devices or other things, so the immediate help will be given by earthing. And friends, in my last videos related to SPD, I have already told you that SPD require earthing, or SPD remains connected to earthing from one end. So friends, see how important earthing is to protect you and your electrical devices from currents, from high currents, leakage currents, etc. Now friends, next question related to earthing is how earthing is done. And this is very important question, right? Because we know that earthing is to protect human bodies, is to protect electrical devices, but we don't know how earthing is done. So answering this question here, and for this, first we take an electrode which can be a rod type or plate type, and friends, according to this electrode, our type of earthing is also defined. This electrode is buried in ground not less than 3 meter. Like we take an electrode and bury it 3 meter below the earth's surface, at least 3 meter. Now next we connect an electrical conductor to this electrode. This electrical conductor can be strip type, strip of Gi or copper, or electrical cable can be used, but this conductor should be of same material as of electrode. Now another question comes to mind, that what should be the size of this conductor? It should not be less than 25 by 4 square mm for Gi strip and 20 by 3 mm for copper strip. Friends, this size is for main connections, and for sub wiring or house wiring we require same conductor as our phase conductor, and this is up to 16 square mm. Like this sizes which I have told you is for house wiring, for low load connections. For higher connections it will be different. Friends, color coding of earthing cable is green, and the symbol of earth is this. Now friends, let us see where we need earthing, or which places should be connected to earth. Now coming to first point, this I have already covered in my introduction, that earth pin of light of sockets. It can be lighting socket, 5 ampere socket, or power socket which is 15 ampere or 16 ampere socket, is connected to earth, and metallic body of your fan regulator should be connected to earth. Second one is all metallic casing which are used to contain or protect your electrical supplies or electrical cables like conduit, GI pipes, distribution boxes should be earthed. Next one, as already mentioned, lightning arrestor requires earthing. And friends, every motor, generator, transformer should be earthed, and for this you require separate earthing for its body and its neutral. And solar plants also require earthing, like its inverter and its AC/DC, DC/DC, and its GI structure is earthed. And low tension panels, high tension panels, all panels are to be earthed.
So friends, I hope you learned something about earthing. If you have any queries, any suggestions, please comment below, and stay connected to this channel, because our second topic or our second video will be on earthing types. So stay connected. Finally friends, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you for watching.